Magandang umaga mga nakatagisan ng mga naka-proud na araw para natin mga Pinoy dito sa UAE. Dahil kasama namin ngayon ang isang kababayan natin, Pilipina, na tunay na kahanga-hanga from working her way up the ladder to become one of the top executives ng isa sa pinakakilalang insurance platform dito sa UAE, ang insurancemarket.ae. Parang naisip ko doon sa
Nako, can I correct you on that? Director na. Oo, hindi lang executive.
Director na.
Director.
Isa siyang living proof na sa sipag, tiyaga at dedication, walang imposible. So, ngayon, she takes on a bigger role. Promote lang, bago na-promote lang bilang bagong Director Operations Excellence ng insurancemarket.ae. At alamin natin ang buong story. Let's welcome sa studio, Miss Agatha Joy Alicdan. Good morning.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Agatha. Of course, gusto naming malaman ang journey mo dito as an OFW sa UAE. Kasi nakapag-chikahan tayo kanina and you have mentioned that you started actually as a marketing assistant. So,
Yes.
the background industry is marketing in the Philippines.
Yes.
So, ang tanong ko sa'yo, madali ka bang nakakuha ng trabaho nung umalis ka ng Pilipinas and then nandito na sa UAE? Kasi 'di ba nung nagche-check din ako ng mga trabaho dito sa UAE, ang dami talaga naghahanap when it comes to marketing industry. Ikaw ba yung naswertehan mo yung paghanap ng trabaho?
Well, actually, nung pumunta ako dito, I tried marketing. Kaso, syempre kapag marketing ka dito, kailangan ng experience, kailangan ng driver's license, and during that time, di ako magdadrive. Mahal magdadrive.
Oo,
Yes.
tama. At
And
alam natin na ilang beses ka magte-test.
Babagsak.
Babagsak ka, hindi one take. Oo.
Yeah, so, I tried marketing, and then napunta ako sa events, then didn't work out. Mga 4 months lang ako dun sa dalawang work ko. And
Okay.
then, I found insurancemarket.ae. Like,
Oh.
I just saw the website, I got interested, and then I applied. I actually applied, if I remember it correctly, I applied as receptionist.
Okay.
Ay,
Oo.
yes.
So, wala kang background
Wala akong
about
background sa
insurance.
insurance,
Oo.
yes.
You want pumasok as entry level
Yes.
receptionist. And then, what happened?
Then, I got the interview, so nag-apply ako. They wanted to talk to me about insurance advisor position. And luckily, I got accepted. And yeah, that's where the journey started.
Oo.
Ngayon, 9 years long na ako sa insurancemarket.ae.
Wow, as an insurance advisor muna.
Yes.
So, sa tingin mo, ano yung naging sagot mo dun sa interview wherein, I'm sure kasi pag nakita naman yung CV, makikita na parang, oh, wait lang asan dito yung insurance background, pero parang they saw something in you na parang, okay to. Parang magwo-work to sa ating kumpanya.
I think during that time, syempre yung confidence lang for the interview. Nag-practice ka, alam mo yung sasabihin mo para ma-impress mo yung interviewer. So, I guess, mostly that's it. And during that time, they were giving a lot of, like, chances to entry-level people. And I guess, in the company also, yun yung ginagawa nila para makakuha sila ng maayos kasi they want people to be trained from the ground up at para alam nila kung ano yung magiging improvement nun over the years. So that's what happened
So yun
to
yun
me.
yung pagpasok mo sa insurancemarket.ae.
Yes.
Pero gusto ko lang may tanong pala, ano yung ibang mga roles mo pala or mga milestones sa career mo diyan sa insurancemarket.ae?
So insurance advisor nag-start ako and then after mga 2 years, I got promoted as the unit head of that department. And then 2 years back, I've taken another position for unit head of retail medical. So,
Okay.
ang
Nailipat ka.
Yes.
Oo.
Nalipat ako sa ibang department na ibang-iba yung product.
Yes.
Not what I've known for the last 5 years.
Oo.
So, it's another journey. What I guess also what's important for me is they always give me like chances to learn a lot of things.
Yeah.
Hindi ako na-stuck kung ano lang yung alam ko. Nag-move ako different product, different department, and now, completely different role.
Oo, ang maganda niyan, while you are doing your journey, kasabay din yung pag-angat din and pag-grow mo with the company itself. Pero parang sa tingin namin, alam mo, may nakita sila sa'yo. Kaya parang yung trust din nandun. So, ano sa tingin mo yung mga simpleng diskarte na nag-work sa'yo or yung ugaling Pinoy na nakatulong sa'yo? Kasi tuloy-tuloy yung promotion, nakita mo na, di ba, from 2 years and then 5 years and then bigyan natin siya ng big role. Sa tingin ko, kayang-kaya niyang, alam mo yun, ma-handle to.
I think I listen a lot. So, I listen first and comprehend later, so I know exactly what you want me to do. And then, syempre, mga Pinoy, workaholic.
Totoo.
A lot of times, workaholic tayo eh. And then we always try to keep our best foot forward. And we don't want anyone to tell anything about us related to work. So, yung sipag, tiyaga lang talaga. And then patience. Definitely patience, consistency, always showing up. I don't think nag-absent ako in the last 9 years.
Wow!
Aside from annual leave. So, yung dedication ko talaga sa work and sa company nandun.
Oo, pero meron bang moment wherein you felt like parang hindi ko na to kakayanin? Especially when you started, wala ka pang alam So parang tuloy-tuloy yung pag-aaral mo about the company itself. Meron ba yung mga situation wherein, hindi, lilipat na lang ako, magja-jump na lang ulit ako sa marketing, ganyan?
Meron, actually, maraming times naman na naisip ko na yon, pero ang ano ko lang kasi is, I should try not to follow my emotions immediately. Parang, at least try kong i-resolve yung issues with the company or with myself para hindi naman masayang yung pinagpaguran ko din sa work na yon. And, yun lang kasi, doon sa 9 years ko, different roles eh. So, hindi siya nakakasawa. Kasi pabago-bago nga. Ang dami kong natutunan, ang dami kong nakilala in terms of network, not only mga Pilipino, mga OFW. So, yung industry kasi ng insurance is mostly other nationalities.
Yes, correct.
Konti lang yung mga Filipinos na nasa medyo mataas na role.
So
that's in itself an achievement for me.
Definitely. And speaking of dealing with other expats, 'di ba? How did you do that at the same time? Insurance, for me, wala akong masyado alam, pero I think it's a bit techy itong 'di ba, ang industry na to. And obviously, I don't know, with a marketing background, ikaw ba, you're someone as techy din, or parang how did you face these kinds of challenges? So, na parang you're dealing with other nationalities and at the same time, 'di ba, you have to also have the knowledge when it comes to techy stuff.
Actually, hindi ako techie. Yes. Ang alam ko lang gawin sa phone ko ay mag-Facebook, email.
Yung parang techie, social media. Yes.
Ay, sorry. Social media lang. Social media lang ang alam ko. And then email. That's it. Ang maganda lang kasi sa amin, at least, pagbabasahin ka nila para malaman mo kung ano. And then, meron kaming mga training modules. Maintindihan mo kung ano yung product. And yung technology kasi namin, it makes it easy for people to understand. So, not only customers to understand, but also the internal customers, which are the employees. So, doon yung focus namin is technology right now. To make it easier for everyone to handle, not only customers, but employees themselves.
Pero ang tanong ko lang, sa posisyon mo, yung kasabi mo kanina, dami mo ng posisyon na dadaanan dyan sa insurance market. Pero sa ngayon, ikaw ang Director Operations Excellence. So, I'm sure marami ka nang alam sa operasyon dyan. So, in your opinion, ano ba yung sekreto behind the continued success of insurancemarket.ae? At sobrang strong pa ng brand niya, kahit yung industry, sobrang competitive. Ano kayang sekreto?
Ang pinaka-sekreto kasi namin, I think it's an open secret, but customer service talaga. Customer service talaga, especially during the time of claims. Kasi sa insurance naman, madali lang magbenta. Actually, yung pagbebenta, yung pinaka-madaling gawin doon. Kasi kung gusto ng taong bumili, mapapabili mo talaga yan.
Yeah.
Like, you only have to convince them a little bit or sometimes matagal na convincing, pero yung claims doon magmamatter kung kaninong broker ka pumasok.
Oo.
So, sa amin, we have a dedicated claims team. So, every time na magka-claim, kahit motor, health, or any other type of insurance policy, meron kaming dedicated claims manager.
Okay.
Yes.
Oo.
Para at least it would be easy for clients to process their claims and hassle-free.
Yeah.
Yes.
Totoo. Alam mo, yung nakikita ko na vibe with insurance market. Kasi earlier, you've mentioned, yes, techie kami. We are moving now into the digital world,
Yes.
obviously. Pero hindi nawawala yung human touch na ibinibigay nyo. And you've mentioned that's number one eh. If you want someone to trust you, you want someone na maniniwala sa produkto nyo, dapat mismo kayo din, di ba? Approachable. Pero, alam mo yun, you're making it also parang in a modernized way na parang
Yes.
you're making it parang accessible, di ba? In
True.
digital world. So, ngayon, ayan na. Halos lahat, digital na. Ikaw personally, syempre yun yung focus. Pero, paano mo nire-remind din yung team mo about staying warm and approachable sa lahat ng mga customers nyo, especially those na alam natin marami dyan magrereklamo,
Yes.
marami dyan hindi kagad makahintay ng mga claims nila, tapos
Yes.
marami din dyan na hindi nakikinig doon sa sasabihin nyo. So, how do you help your team? And ano ba yung binibigay mo ng mga advice sa kanila para at least kapit tayo. Lalo na sa mga ganyang situation.
In terms of mga complaints kasi, yung mga clients na hindi makapaghintay, not everyone have the same patience.
Mhm.
And we understand that, and each advisors are aware na at least even if you don't have like an actual update right now, kailangan keep your clients informed kasi that's the only thing that they want.
Yeah.
They want to know what's happening, anong progress, anong ginagawa mo to help them. So, that's what we always lean into.
Yeah.
And if something's not happening within the timeline that we set, definitely we have people who can escalate to make things happen fast. Pero yun lang din talaga yung key, communication.
Yeah.
Yes. If for example, if clients will wait for 10 days, but you don't inform them during that 10 days, definitely magagalit sila kasi they feel like hindi na sila pinapansin.
Totoo.
Yes.
You just want someone di ba? Assurance lang na parang kahit hindi na yung sagot na gusto mo marinig, you just want to hear from
Yes.
someone doon nga sa kumpanya na parang, okay, andito pa, narinig pa nila ako. And it's very refreshing to hear na, feeling ko very Pinoy yan. Yung malasakit.
Mindset.
Yes,
Yes.
yung mindset na pinapakita mo sa team mo. And I think it's a good thing din kasi you're dealing with expats din eh. I'm sure yung iba parang, hindi, okay, kung ito wag nating sagutin yan, bahala sila. Pero ikaw parang, hindi, dapat na andun pa rin yung malasakit.
Kailangan kahit galit sila, smile ka pa din.
Ang hirap.
Or try mo,
Hindi ako pang insurancemarket.ae.
Kailangan patient ka, hindi ka pwedeng magalit din.
Nakikita ko pa
Mahirap,
lang.
mahirap,
Oo.
mahirap yan.
Nakikita ko nga sa face mo na parang I know that you are genuine. Like talking about it. Ikaw talaga parang you started with a smile. And parang kahit may complain, it's okay. It's part of
Yes.
everyday challenge natin
Yeah,
dito.
you can't make everyone happy.
Ah,
you know
that's
that.
true.
Yes.
That's true.
Okay, agad kami tanong lang kung, anong observation mo? Ano na-notice mo about Filipino kung insurance na ang pag-usapan, kung mag-offer kayo? Anong mga reaction?
Sa insurance mga Pilipino, I guess, hindi pa masyadong aware ang mga Pinoy about the importance of insurance. Ngayon, medyo tumataas na yung awareness after the pandemic. Pero most of us still wants lowest premium. Hindi nako-compare yung coverage. And sometimes, people tend to hide a lot of facts na would make things not good for them.
Yeah.
So, yung understanding is at least improving, but kailangan pa rin talagang para mag-exceed pa.
Oo. Ikaw ba, kapag you're with your friends or probably family members or mga acquaintances, dahil nga you've grown with insurance market, you know the ins and outs, the advantage, disadvantage ng pagkuha ng insurance. Ikaw ba, parang out of the blue na lang, minsan bigla ka na lang mapapa-advise pag meron ka, ikaw ba, may ganyan ka? Kasi parang I could see that, 'di ba? Ikaw talaga, you are passionate with what you're doing and you know that you could help someone. Ganun ba? Minsan na parang meron ka mga kausap, mga kaibigan, tapos parang
meron na. Bakit wala ka pang insurance? Bakit ganito yung kinuha mo? Hindi yan maganda. Ganon. So, nag-o-offer ng advice to make sure na yung kukunin nila, kasi kukuha ka rin naman eh.
Yes.
Kukuha
Importante.
ka na ng maganda.
Oo. Kaya ganyan, bigla na. Ano sinasabi ng mga kaibigan mo?
Parang ngayon, okay, titignan ko.
Oo.
Okay na to. Okay na to.
Oo. Ganon.
Yes.
Okay, gusto ko lang itanong kasi curious ako sa ano mo ngayon pag sa rank mo tumaas na. Bilang Director Operations Excellence pala, ano yung pinaka-main responsibility mo?
So ngayon, meron kaming multiple departments. Ang kailangan kong gawin is make sure that everything's working on all departments. Sa operations, claims, sales, even RTech. So, overseeing the core departments of insurancemarket.ae. Yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon.
So, aside from the other customers, clients nyo, ang dami pang iba't ibang department yun na handle, na nako-cover nitong parang you ensure na parang maayos ang daily
day-to-day activities.
Activities nito.
Kung anong gagawin namin sa technology, paano yung internal process namin para mapabilis. Especially claims, kung within timeline ba sila, nagkakaroon ba kami ng maraming complaints, or do we have deficit in resources? So I work on resourcing now, hiring, and then making sure that operations work.
So may kasama pa na ganun. Aside from ensuring that the clients are happy, you will also have to, kailangan ko rin tignan kung sino yung mga tamang tao for this. Paano na ang social life? Syempre tatanungin natin yan. Ano pa ang nagpapahappy sa'yo aside from mga complaints na nare-resolve mo?
ang maganda actually, during weekend, I have my own time.
I love that. So you learn to shut down.
Yes.
Okay. Meron pa rin tayong boundaries.
Yes. And insurance market gives that to us also.
Okay.
Minsan kailangan mong sumagot ng tawag. Siyempre, may mga customers na kailangan ng tulong during the weekend. Pero since meron kaming dedicated claims team, sa kanila na-funnel. So yung mga advisors, medyo at least relax sila kapag walang work, makakapagpahinga sila, recuperate, recharge. So, yun yung maganda.
Maganda yun na sinabi mo yan, You give yourself a break kasi being in that kind of environment, obviously, very stressful.
Yes.
Oo, that you need to resolve ASAP, may mga ganyan. Pero you take time.
Yes.
Oo,
it's important for my peace of mind also. And para at least pagpasok ko sa work, 100% ulit.
Ayan, ayan, narinig natin yan kay Madam Joy, okay? And then, also, when we talk about insurancemarket.ae, hindi pwedeng hindi natin mapag-uusapan si Alfred.
Yes!
Kanina natanong kita, sabi ko, Alfred is a mascot and everyone actually, talagang pag sinabi mo, kahit sa Dubai Metro, yung station na yan, when we had another interview with insurancemarket.ae, someone asked, boses ba ni Alfred yung maririnig namin? So parang, ayun na nga. So it is very important, ayan. So, paano mo na-feel na parang, like a simple Alfred mascot, being connected to, everyone here in the UAE? Parang connected yung brand sa customers.
I guess it makes us more approachable kasi once you see Alfred, parang he's a funny looking guy or cute looking guy. Hindi siya, it's not really that serious na makikita mo may character for an insurance broker platform.
Oo.
So, parang it gives people a friendly face
Yeah.
that they can trust. And a lot of kids know Alfred, so they tell their parents about Alfred.
Yes. Oo.
So, the character or the mascot gives us a friendlier face in the industry.
Yes,
Right
na
now,
approachable
Yes.
Oo, na pwede mong matanungan ng kahit ano. Eto ba si Alfred, nakikita nyo ba sa opisina nyo? Meron bang, yung kasama natin to, approachable. Dali, doon natin ipeg si Alfred.
Maraming, alam mo ang mga Pinoy, maraming, yan. Sinong ang kamukha ni Alfred?
Oo.
Pero meron kaming Alfred statue sa office. So
Meron
yes,
talaga?
we see him all the time.
Pero yung statue niya, ano ba? Kamukha niya or ano lang? Ginawa niya na iba?
Ginawa lang talaga siya.
So parang syempre, 'di ba? I'm gonna ask you, 'di ba, as a director na and being a face ng company, importante 'yan. Dapat relatable din, ganyan. So gusto ko malaman sa 'di ba, ikaw sinabi bigla ng boss mo, inad doon. Nako, as one of the responsibilities na ibibigay namin sa'yo, ikaw na ang magiging face ng insurancemarket.ae. Ikaw ba willing maging mascot ng insurance market?
Kung mascot, okay lang. Pero pag ako na yung mismong mahihain ako eh.
Mahihain. So, balik tayo kay Alfred.
Sige, kay Alfred na lang,
ibigay
yes.
natin ang trono kay Alfred. Correct.
Nakaka-proud talaga yung achievement mo. Pero meron akong gustong hingin galing sa'yo. Bilang isang Pilipina na nasa taas na ng posisyon. Anong mensahe mo na gusto mo ibigay sa mga kabayan natin na inspiring, lalo na sa mga babae?
So, kailangan working hard lang talaga na hindi natin makukuha immediately kung ano yung gusto natin. Mag-start ka sa simula and then work your way on the top. Make sure that you do things well and always listen. And try to find someone to be your mentor. Yes, yun yung important din sa akin sa company kasi I had a lot of good people mentoring me, teaching me about insurance, about life. So, ayun, yun talaga. And just wait, your time will come and everything happens for a reason. Yes.
Alam mo, nakaka-proud yung journey mo at saka nakaka-proud sa achievement mo ngayon. Pati na rin yung mga future na achievement mo, alam naming nakaka-proud pa rin yan. Kaya isa lang ang masasabi namin sa'yo.
Iba ka, kabayan! Thank you so much!
Yan pang bagong Director Operations Excellence ng insurancemarket.ae, si Miss Agatha Joy Alicdan.
Thank you so much.
insurancemarket.ae